Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Good afternoon, judges. I am Jude Basog, and I came all the way from Boracay. And I'm very proud to represent Prisma. It's an honor for me to be here standing in front of you, sharing my drink, my story, my legacy. I would like to thank Bacardi for giving me this opportunity to discover how my love for this craft would go. I'm thinking about that. I think it is living in example, just as we are, circling around the island and waiting for the right time. And one day, when the bat will go home, we will go home too. I was captivated by these words by Victor Arellano, a fifth Bacardi family member. Thus, started my inspiration in creating my legacy cocktail. The name of my drink is La Patria, which means homeland in Spanish. Why La Patria, do you ask? Being away from home for a couple of years now made me appreciate the importance of family and the place which I came from. And there is a space in my heart belonging to the family. 2 years ago, young and full of passion, I left home to find greener pasture and fortune. Independent life, as we may say. No work and no money to pay the rent. I almost stayed in a friend's apartment for 2 months. Facing a lot of challenges, land-based barriers, different people, culture, and tradition. But this didn't stop me. I cannot still imagine myself being here in front of you, sharing my legacy. La Patria. The same way, Don Facundo Bacardi Maso, at the age of 16, left Spain group, going to Cuba in 1830 to find fortune. Being new to the place, he experienced a lot of struggles. Until he founded Bacardi in 1862, with the help of his wife Amalia and the support of his sons Jose, Facundo, and Emilio, which later played a big part to the success of Bacardi. But it wasn't over. They faced a lot of trials. Fire, earthquake, prohibition, and exile. This could have stopped their legacy, but nothing in the way. Don Facundo Bacardi Maso dedicated his life having the faith to change the face of wrong. To tame it, he researched, he experimented, a lot of trial and errors, until he came up with La Levadura yeast strain and charcoal filtration, and started creating this world most awarded crown. And after 155 years of being exiled from Cuba, the right time has come. The bat is going home, as well as the Bacardi family is going back to their homeland full of joy and success, and so do I. And now for my cocktail, I will be using fresh pineapple juice, sweet and fruity, a nice balance of sweetness and sourness to my drink. Alongside is muscovado syrup, which is product of sugar cane, which is literally everywhere. Having the ratio of 2:1, 2 parts sugar, 1 part water. Based on history, Philippines is the 9th largest producer in the world and #1 in Asia. Next ingredient, Pedro Jimenez sherry. Way back, Don Facundo Bacardi Maso was known as a Spanish wine merchant. As an honor to him, I used this sherry from Spain. This gives sweetness and complexity to the drink, having the flavor of dark chocolate, sweet dried fruits, and licorice. To balance all those sweetness, I will be using fresh lemon juice. And I will be adding 3 dashes of pasty bitters that will give a nice floral aroma and hints of bitterness to the drink. And represent the bat symbol, which is family, good fortune, and good health. And last but not the least, Bacardi Carta Blanca. Blended from aguardiente and wheat destilado, aged in most fine Kentucky oak barrels. Slightly recharged, charcoal filtered, became the solid, robust backbone of my drink that links all the ingredients together. Now, my passion, my dream, my drink, my legacy.
Woo! Yeah!
Combine These create a sweet, woody, and refreshing drink. A cocktail that stands the test of time, bringing back the memories of our homeland to be savored once more. And then the garnishing part. I will be garnishing this drink with pineapple leaf and dehydrated lemon. And before I end this, I would like to share you this saying. Sometimes, life is not about how far you go, but about looking back how it started. Together, we are going home, for there is no place like home. La Patria.
Yeah.